Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make this really tasty homemade banana bread recipe. So grab your Crocs and let's get ready to rock. So I started with 3 ripened bananas. I took off their skins and mashed them in a bowl with a fork. Then I added in a cup of granulated sugar and half a cup of margarine. Then stirred that all up, added in 2 eggs, mixed those in as well, which gave me my wet mix for the banana bread. In another bowl, I put 2 cups of all-purpose flour, a teaspoon of baking soda, and a half teaspoon of both baking powder and salt, and mixed that by hand. I preheated the oven to 350 degrees, and then I added the dry mix into the wet mix from before, 1/3 at a time, mixing it thoroughly to make sure that it was all mixed in together. So it looks like this. At this point, I added in a cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips and stirred those in as well. I then greased a 9-inch loaf pan and added that mixture together into the pan, making sure that it was nice and level on top. I then put that into the 350-degree oven as close to the center as possible and set a timer for 1 hour. And here's what it looked like after that time. I usually leave them on a cooling rack for about 10 minutes to make sure that it's nice and solid before I start cutting it, but then I slice it up and it is ready to eat. I've done this recipe as muffins as well, but you cook for 30 minutes instead of the hour. Thanks for watching.